Alright, we are going to brew some coffee. We will be using Fanttik. There are a couple of things we need. This is a cup, we need it later. This and this. So, too many things, and by the way, this one also opens. Give me a second. So this is actually for water. This lid. Yeah, so I'll put this away for now and we will ground some coffee. And yeah, I'll show you everything step by step. Okay, so this is the one. I need to put my coffee here. I'll do this carefully. And yeah, I'll show you how this worked out for me. Okay, I think I put a little bit too much. Let me use my WDT tool to massage the coffee a bit. Okay, yeah, it's still too much because there's a max level indicator and I put it way too much. Let me remove a little bit. You know what? I actually decided to not remove. I decided to press. Just like that. Not too bad. Could be better, of course. That's a little bit better. That's way better. So this is a max indicator, so we can actually put a little bit more coffee, but I think this will be enough for now. So the next step is to put a lid on, this one, and we need to put this into the portafilter, just like so. And all this goes into the Fanttik. Just like that. So now we need to put some water. Okay, water is in. I'll close the lid. Okay. This is our cup. Now we will brew some coffee. So the instruction says that to brew with the cold water, you need to press a power button for 2 seconds. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Should I put it in a cup? I don't know. Let's put in the cup. So, because water was cold, it will need some time to heat up the water. It was right from the fridge, so it's not even room temperature. Okay, I can see that this LED line got a little bit up. I can hear that water is bubbling, so I suspect we should see something coming out soon. Oh yeah, water is boiling. Okay, something is going on. Oh yeah, it's coming. Look at this. Oh, this beautiful crema. Still working. And it stopped. Now let's see. I don't know if it's visible. Give me a second to adjust the camera. Look at this. Now I need to put camera down a little bit. Okay. Can you see this crema? Well, let's taste this. Okay, let's have some few sips to taste the coffee. You know, it's actually not bad. I'm done. Okay, it's actually really good. To be honest, I'm a bit surprised. I did not expect that it will be that good. Of course, it's not as good as my dedicated coffee machine, but it's very close. I'm not joking. Now I need to figure out how to clean this thing. I guess I just need to unscrew. Okay. Oop, don't go anywhere. Oh, it's hot. Of course it's hot. Okay. And this is pressed coffee. Nice. So cool. So, after tasting espresso from Fanttik coffee maker, I can with confidence say that it is really good. This device is amazing. I really, surprised that coffee taste was that good. Definitely did not expect that. First of all, about the how to operate, it's pretty simple. If you use grinded coffee, you just use this filter. You put coffee inside, then you press with this little cup. Let me focus. So you can use this cup for measuring amount of coffee and for pressing. Actually, it works really well. I think it's designed that way. So this is cups that goes on top of this filter. Then this is actually a portafilter. I don't know, it looks like just a basket. You put this inside and then you screw into the main device. So, operation-wise, everything is very simple and easy to do. The hardest part was actually to clean the filter, this basket. So coffee inside was pressed very, very well. And it actually wasn't that easy to get it off. So I had to use some tools to get it off from inside. I think maybe the best way would be to clean immediately after making coffee, because I waited about 2 minutes and maybe this has contributed a little bit. But yeah, cleaning actually is not that easy. You need just a stream of water or some tools with fingers. It doesn't come off easily just by shaking, so at least it didn't come off in my case. Maybe you will be a little bit more lucky. Anyway, taste was very, very good, and I'm actually very excited because I'm camping a lot, and when I camp, I just brew coffee in my jet boil, and I think it's not as good as I like, and this device will be very handy for me, especially during camping trips. So I wonder for how long battery will last on a single charge. Technically it should be for enough for 8 cups of coffee with the room temperature. I used cold water from the fridge filter, so with cold water battery might last a little bit less than 8 cups. Yeah, so very excited. That's it.